Hey guys, it's Riley McMustache. Welcome back to another fantastic video. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be teaching all of you guys how to make a DIY at-home snow globe. So yeah, there's not much to say about it. I was just inspired like I was from the last video on how to make a DIY book safe. Oh, by the way, check that out if you haven't already. But yeah. There's no point in wasting time, so let's get started. So the first thing you'll need is some regular... That never happened. You'll need regular glue. Doesn't matter which, I'm just using gel because it was the first one I saw in the cabinet. The next thing you'll need is some rubber cement. I used this in the last video, so again, multi-purposeful. I'm going to put it over here. The next thing you'll need is some water. I overdosed on water, but I'll explain why later. The next thing you'll need is some glitter. Any color works. I chose white. And then another thing you'll need is any little tiny sculpture-esque thing that you'd be able to glue on something. And the final thing you'll need is, of course, your jar. And remember, you're going to be taking it upside down, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like. But I'm using a regular mason jar. It's 5 or 6 inches. Yeah, 6 inches, I'm guessing. And so yeah, you can also use other things like baby food jars and leftover terrarium jars and such, but this is what I'm choosing to use today. So the first step that you're going to need to do is unscrew the lid. Of course, if your mason jar is like mine, then you'll have to do that step. And for that, if that's a problem for you, then take this time to glue these together with your regular glue. So I am back, and yeah, so it has not fully dried, but I figured, you know what, it'll dry someday. But yeah, so as you may have noticed if you're very observant, I have changed my little structure, or my little figure, because the other one was way too short to put in here, because that leads me into my next step, as using the rubber cement over here, just putting a little dab of rubber cement on here, covering the bottom, and then sticking it on here and letting that dry. The rubber cement takes a bit longer than the regular glue, so if you let this dry for 15-20 minutes and it still hasn't dried yet like regular glue, I'd say wait 10 more minutes, and if that's the case, then the rubber cement might take a bit longer. So yeah, this activity needs some patience, but no worry, or don't worry. You can do other things to entertain yourself, like watch some more of my videos. But anyways, yeah, let's get on to doing this. See you guys when it's glued. I probably should have mentioned that during this passing time, you can also start to fill up your mason jar with your water and your glitter. So for this, your mason jar, you're going to add water until only about a fourth of the mason jar has air left. So yeah. So yeah, I probably went a little less than a fourth of the way. I probably went I don't know. But anyways, and I did end up using all of the water. I was kind of surprised about that, but yeah, that's why you guys should never assume things. Anyways, yeah, to my hopefully favorite part. I'm so excited. So for this, you are going to be using your glitter. And oh my god, can we just talk about for a second how amazing this little test tube-ish thing is. It's amazing. Uh, Anyways, yeah, but that's off subject. So let's get back on subject. For the glitter, you can use any type of glitter you choose. Blue, green, pink, purple, black, white, silver, whatever. I was trying to look for silver, but all we had was white, so that'll do. So that actually took quite a while with all the drawing and stuff. But other than that, you gotta have some patience. But other than that, this is like a really simple DIY. Like, literally all you need is some rubber cement, a mason jar, tiny plastic structure. Could even be something like a Lego figure. Sparkles, water, and glue. Not that many things. But anyways, on to the last, final, and wanted step. The finish. So what you're going to do is, this is kind of expected. You're going to insert your mason jar cup thing and screw it on. Hey guys, you ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Come on, please work. Yay! It worked. But I definitely need to refine this more. But yeah, that's basically all I have to do for you guys. Yeah, I think yours is definitely gonna look way better than mine. But hey, whatever. So I guess that's all we have today. I will see you guys soon. Bye.